Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Planarize tool. Now this tool, along with Align to Curve and Align to Surface, is used to clean up CV structure. So if you see a zigzag like this is one of the tools that you can use to clean that up. Now in order to find it, you can find it over here. On the palette, you do have to click and hold Align to Curve and you'll be able to access it over here. Now, if you would prefer to use the puck, you can of course access it over here as well. Now, in order to use it, I do suggest the opening of the options box like this, and all you have to do is click on two or more edges that you want to planarize. So for example, I'm just going to click these two, and all you have to do is click here, and it's going to straighten it up. Now, if you have multiple edges that you want to clean up, such as this one, all you have to do is just keep clicking on it and make sure that they're in sequence and planarize like this. Now, if you have multiple edges, it is also a good idea to combine left click with the shift middle mouse button in order to click all of them in sequence. Now, these are only 3 edges, but let's say you have a lot more. This is going to provide you with a quicker method of picking the edges. Now let's go over some of the options. By default, it is view based and it is going to be closest. Now there are other options as well. So for example, I'm going to show you guys the difference between view based and also best fit plane. Now the Z, Y, and X, these do line up the CVs straight. So if I were to click on all of these over here, if I were to do X, for example, it's going to make them exactly in the X plane. So I do suggest using either view based because this is just going to make it super straight. It's not exactly useful for situations where it's got curves. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So with the view based, I'm just going to go to a side view and I'm just going to click here, and it's going to create a straight plane in the side view. Now, really depends on the view, so really depends on the situation as well. Now, if you do best fit plane, you'll see that the result is a little bit different. So in this case, it's creating a plane like this, which might not be desirable for a CV structure like this. Now, however, let's say you have a little bit of curvature to the CV structure. So right now it's straight over here, but as it goes to the outboard side, you'll see that there is a little bit of curvature. So in this case, best fit actually works a little bit better. Now, if I were to do this with a view base, it's going to make it straight. While it's pretty clean, it doesn't really conform to the outboard side. So in this case, actually best fit works a little bit better, as you can see, as it retains somewhat the curvature that this one has transitioning from here to here. Now, as far as the difference between adaptive and closest, now in real practice, I really don't see much difference. But in limited circumstances, for example, if I were to do this with closest, so I'm just going to click here and I'm just going to use the shift and middle mouse button to click here. And I'm going to just do a view base like this. You'll see that with the closest, it's going to strike a line that is perpendicular to the straight line over here. So it creates something like this. Now in this case, it does still create a zigzag over here. But if I were to do adaptive, it is going to retain the CV structure or the alignment over here and here. So if I were to do the same thing over here like this, you'll see that now the alignment is exactly aligned with the CV structure. So in this case, it actually works a little bit better. Now, as far as the use case goes, it really depends on the situation, but I do suggest playing around with it in order to find the best method that works for you. All right, so that is how to use the Planarize tool. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.